Hello, gals and guys. This is Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com with another tip for you. So look up here in these tabs of your browser. You see these little pictures? It brands your site a little bit more. This is actually my website. If I go to my other websites, oh, you're going to see it too. I think you pretty much get the idea. See? So this is branding pictures. Now we're going to go ahead and make one of those. It used to be that we used to have to make one and upload it by FTTP, but WordPress has recently made it better. So look down at the links that I provided in the description. You're going to see Photopea. And we're just going to go to File. And we're going to, let's see here. I want to open. No, actually, sorry. Let's go. Do we hit here first? No, we don't hit here first. So let's go open. And in my downloads, someplace, once it loads up here, I'm going to find my icon for Crown Kayak among this mess of different files. So I'll just grab this and then get rid of that. All right. So the ideal size you want is going to be 512 by 512. So I'm going to click on this tool here. And up here where it says free, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put fixed ratio. Actually, I'm going to do fixed size. So I'm going to put in 512. 512. Okay. And then once you click on the image, then you're just going to expand it to where you want it. All right, so I want a little white on the edges, not too much. And okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, I don't like all this white down here, but yeah, I'll live with it. I can always change it later. Oh, I see. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, right here. So you hit that check mark. All right, and you got your 5 by 12 by 5 by 12 Favicon, and we're going to export. And I'm going to export it as a PNG. Okay, 512 by 512. I'm going to save. And then I'm just going to right click down here where it's saved down there, and I'm going to show in folder. Okay, there it is right there. I'm just going to rename it just because I'm anal. I'm going to put Crown Kayak Favicon. Okay, and put it whatever you want in there as long as you remember what it is. All right, folks. All right, now I'm going to go to this other website, and again, you're going to see the link down in the description. And this is where you can create your Favicon. I'm going to do ping to ICO. Click on that. And then I'm just going to open up my folder here and go to my downloads and shrink this and scroll down a little bit and drag this over. All right. And then once there it is right there, I'm going to download. And that's going to download a zip folder for you. So there's a variety of attachments that they give you. This is the one I want to focus on. So I'll just drag this to my desktop. And I'll bring my browser back up. And so with Facebook, it makes it a heck of a lot easier. So I'm in my Crown Kayak site. I'm going to go to customize. This was never here once upon a time. It's made life a little easier. You'd have to down this with your FTP to the root folder once upon a time. Just got to find where they put this up. Okay, pretty much easy. Okay, go to, I mean, it's going to be different for each theme that you put in, but they're pretty much universal. So I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to go to that desktop, and there it is right there, 512 by 512. And I'm going to upload there, and I'm going to select. All right, and then there it is right up there, folks. Okay, pretty simple, pretty easy. If you want to, you can FTP it to your route directory as well. So it's going to be Favicon.io. That's the website you go to in order to create it, Favicon.io, and Photopea. Use that. It's an online Photoshop, and I use it for a lot of things, just so I don't have to bring up my regular Photoshop. It's just easier that way. Okay, folks, that's your quick tip. I appreciate your time. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, or share below, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.